Hi everybody, I'm Alex, and this is the large pellet stove from Cleveland Iron Works. The large pellet stove is a wood pellet burning stove that weighs over 210 pounds and has a 130-pound hopper capacity and can heat up to 1,800 square feet. When you unbox your pellet stove, you may find some loose pellets already in the hopper. That is because these stoves are all tested to ensure proper hopper function and functionality before being boxed and shipped from the factory. When picking a place to install your pellet stove, you should always select a spot on a heat-resistant section of floor, or use a heat-resistant hearth pad that is purchased separately. Once you have chosen a spot for the pellet stove, make sure you follow all called out required clearances to combustibles, as stated in the manual. Next, decide how you are going to vent your stove, either horizontal or vertical. The outlet size on the heater for the vent pipe is 3 inches. Vent pipe is sold separately, and type L or PL vent pipe should be used. Follow all venting instructions listed in the manual before installation. Included with your pellet stove is a power cord, remote control, removable fire pot, cleaning tool, and a fresh air intake kit. The fresh air intake kit is required to be used for all mobile home installations, but is optional for all other installations. If other factors could potentially affect the air quality in the room, install and use the kit. Use the included power cord that comes with your pellet stove to supply power to the stove. Once your stove is in place, all vent pipe is properly installed, and power is connected to the stove, properly bolt your stove to the floor to secure the installation. Finally, turn the power switch located on the back of the stove to the on position, and you will be ready to operate your pellet stove. Open the lid on top of your pellet stove and pour some pellets into the hopper. Close the lid when finished. Open the door on the front of the heater and install the fire pot. Then, close the door when finished. The stove will not operate with the hopper lid left open, or if the door on the front of the heater is left open. With all doors closed, use the control panel to begin the burning cycle. Turn on the heating cycle by using the control panel on the side of the heater. Press the power button for 3 seconds. The stove will go through a short cleaning cycle, and then the pellets will begin to fall into the burning pot. This stove uses a hot surface igniter to light the pellets. Full combustion can take 5 to 15 minutes to achieve. You can change the auger speed to increase or decrease the level of heat coming out. An adjustable thermostat finishes giving you complete comfort control of your heater. Your stove can be controlled one of 3 ways, either by using the control panel, using the included remote control, or by using the app on your smartphone. The app required for this stove can be found in the Apple or Android App Store for free. Search using the keyword Smart Stove and download the app titled NS. Once installed, connect your pellet stove to your home Wi-Fi and your smart app by using the instructions found in the manual. With your stove connected to your home Wi-Fi, use your app to control your stove whenever your smartphone is connected to any Wi-Fi connection. When you are finished using your pellet stove and turn off the heating cycle, you may still see a flame located in the fire pot for 5 to 10 minutes until the flame is fully extinguished. Your pellet stove will continue to run until the stove temperature reaches a safe level. Then, it will completely shut off. Once completely cool, vacuum out the inside of the combustion area using an ash vac before the next use to ensure efficient and clean combustion of your pellet stove. Thanks for watching. Now that you know how to use your Cleveland Iron Works pellet stove, You are ready to get out there and keep warm.